Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Naina Prakash Kodi and our today's video topic is interface in Java. So let me discuss about the interface in detail. Firstly, what is interface? Interface is a blueprint of a class. Interface is declared with interface keyword. Interface is a mechanism to achieve a abstraction. Before discuss about the interface, I will explain the what is abstraction. Abstraction is a mechanism in which hide the internal detail or unnecessary detail and show only its functionality to the user. There can be only abstract method in interface. Abstract method means method does not have body, means incomplete method, and by using interface we support the functionality of multiple inheritance and abstraction. Interface cannot instantiate just like a abstract class. So why we use the interface in Java? There are three reasons to use interface in Java. Firstly, it is used to achieve abstraction, and second, by interface support the functionality of the multiple inheritance, and third is it is used to achieve loose coupling. Loose coupling means dependency. So how declare interface in Java? So interface is declared with a interface keyword, and in interface there are only abstract method. Abstract method means does not have body, and class implement interface. Its implementation included in the class. So we will discuss about the relationship between the classes and interface. Classes extend the class, and second, class implement the interface, and third, interface implement the interface. So what is multiple inheritance in Java by interface? So multiple inheritance means class extend more than one interface or implement more than one interface, and interface implement more than one interface. So it is called as multiple inheritance. By using the interface we support the functionality of multiple inheritance. In case of class, we cannot support the multiple inheritance functionality because ambiguity is created. And in Java, in case of interface, we support the functionality of multiple inheritance because no ambiguity created in the class. And so in interface the method are abstract and public, and field are public, static, final. And lastly we discuss the difference between abstract class and interface. First difference is abstract class is declared with the abstract keyword, and interface is declared with the interface keyword. Second is abstract class contain abstract and non-abstract method, and interface contain only abstract method. It is 100% achieve the abstraction. And in abstract class contain the final, non-final, static, static method or variable, and in interface only final and static variable. In abstract class extend the another class, and abstract class implement interface, and in interface implements interface. In abstract class the method are abstract, non-abstract, and in interface the method are only abstract. And in abstract class the extend the class by using extend keyword, and in interface implements the interface by using implements keyword. And the data member of the abstract class are protected and private, and data member of the interface is public and static. and the syntax of abstract class is abstract keyword and class name, and including the non-abstract and abstract method. And syntax of interface is interface keyword and interface name, and curly brace, within curly brace only abstract method means incomplete method. For example, we have declared the interface like a person, and in interface we declare two method, person detail and person background. So these two methods are implements on other class by using the implements keyword. Thank you.